Hello traders, let's look at Dow Jones US30. Thanks for joining me in this analysis. My name is Vic. Now Dow Jones actually moved exactly how we anticipated last week. Now remember in my previous analysis I mentioned that there was a lot of bullish pressure coming in because we just look at these two candles and we found that market was probably going to go higher to this level of 27,161, which it did. And then I said, if that level is broken, then we're looking at 27,636. And the market has started to move towards that level as well. And the reason behind that is that, market is creating this W pattern and the midpoint of that W pattern is broken. Now, once we are there at 27636, it may actually fall a little bit because it will reach this previous high. If I go back to the weekly time frame, this is the previous high. This is kind of like the midpoint of this bigger W pattern which is forming right now. US30 is expected to go all the way to fill this gap which is around here. So that means we can expect a little bit of bearish momentum once the market has reached this midpoint. But since we are not there yet, we can expect market to move a little bit higher and then come back down. Remember, S&P 500 is expected to go down a little bit as well, but US30 has still a little bit of space to move ahead. So they usually follow each other. US30 usually follows S&P 500. So what we need to do, remember, is that it may actually fall a little bit to test out this 27161 before moving higher back to 27636 and then fall down. And once we have broken through that, then we'll be looking at this level right there. This actually is zone, it's not a level actually, in fact. And this is what we are looking at. US30 is going to, if that level of 27636 is broken, then we are looking at this level to be reached. Now, if we draw fib on this entire structure, we'll see what kind of level it is. We see that market has come to 78.6, and the next one is going to line up nicely with 88.6, approximately that level. But ultimately, it is going to move into, probably going to move into 113 around here, or even higher, because when the market comes to 78.6, it usually goes to 127.2 Fibonacci extension. And that means that if this midpoint is broken, then we're looking at very good momentum trade going upwards. However, we still have few barriers to cross, so that's what we are waiting for. And so the next week you can expect a little downward movement to retest this 27161. Otherwise, it will keep on going to 27636 and then fall down. So that's my analysis on US30. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you found this useful. If you did, hit the like button, and in the comment section, let me know what you think about the analysis. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.